Hey guys, it's Mark, Beach Bluff Outdoors. We're out here at the cabin today. We spent the weekend out here, and we've spent the afternoon shooting the 1858 Remington. So, not too long ago I did a video on how to clean muzzleloading rifles. I'm going to show you how I clean this pistol. That's what we're going to do today. So this weekend we're out here at the cabin, doing a little turkey hunting. It was opening weekend of turkey hunting, doing some social distancing, just keeping to ourselves. You know, I'm a healthcare worker, so I've been kind of avoiding my family. Generally, I would promote that, but in this case, it's more of an evil necessity. But we've been out here shooting the cap and ball all afternoon, and I'm going to show you how I clean it. I had actually already started, but I'm just going to run you through the steps because a couple of these things are already done. I use the Easy Clean 2 seasoning and lube patches from Traditions. What I do is, first of all, I take a patch and I wipe the cylinder down all the way around. I wipe the face off. I wipe this end off, and it just gets some of the soot off. Then take your cleaning tool for your black powder pistol, and I just go each cylinder. I just put it in and twist. You can see I've already done this one, so should be pretty clean. So once you get that done, just wipe all the cleaning and seasoning goo out of it. And then I like to take a dry patch. I don't know if this is really necessary, but I do it just to keep from contaminating the cylinder, the powder. But I'm just going to put it in, dry it off. Because Pyrodex is dirty. This actually wasn't all the way clean. We're going to go ahead and do that one more time. Just because I still got a little bit of soot and stuff in there. Try to pay attention to what I'm doing this time. Yeah. Still a little dirty, but... So we're going to run another cleaning patch, because apparently I didn't have it clean. And they rip. These things aren't that expensive. I usually buy the big can. You can tell the goo on the rim, so you can kind of see where you've been. Okay, so now it looks like we're clean. So now and the good thing is you can do this at the field, in the field. You can see I'm at the cabin. Just stuff that was in my possibles bag. I did a video on how to make a possibles bag, a shooter's bag. It's more of a possibles bag. Like in the Civil War, they carried everything they could possibly need, and that's what I do. It's got my fire cleaning kit, or my fire starting, my knife, my gun cleaning and maintenance. So we're pretty clean there. So the next thing, I'm going to pop these nipples out of here. They get really, really nasty. On a rifle, obviously, you only have to do this once. So we'll probably fast forward through this part. Okay, so we got all the nipples out, and you can see they are really, really nasty. So, I'll show you how to do this. Take one of those patches, the cleaning patches, just gonna run it in the nipple hole, the flash hole. And you know, you just want to get all that old black powder out of there. Alright, so we got the cylinder good and clean. Now, to clean the gun, all I do, take one of your cleaning and seasoning patches, just wipe down everything real good. You want to check on your seating stem right here. Oh, I think I got a little bit on there. When you seat the ball, you're going to cut a little lead ring off. It's going to look like that. It's because the ball is just a little bit bigger than the cylinder. So all those little lead rings stack up on the base of the rod, and you want to make sure and get them off. Just wipe everything down. Do the same thing on the hammer. So now we got to clean the barrel. It's real easy. Just going to do like we did before. It's going to take about 3 patches probably. If you don't rip a hole in them. And that's what comes out. So, dropped one. So we want to just keep doing that till it doesn't do that anymore. That is the downside to these Traditions patches, is they rip like crazy. Man, I keep dropping crap. Like I said, it's probably going to take 3. That looks pretty good, so. Yeah, now, you can do this with a swab and a brush. I don't. A lot of people do. I'm not saying my way is the right way. I'm not. Somebody's got him a turkey, I reckon. I'm not saying my way is the only way. But what I do, I cannot hold on to crap today. So we've got everything clean. You notice I'm running a dry patch. I just swab it. Just that easy. Couple passes. Boom. You're done. So, put my tip back on so I don't lose it. Alright, so everything's clean. And all we got to do is clean these nipples. So, if you have your rifle, you should have a nipple pick. First thing, just want to go through the flash hole. Just make sure the hole's open. then what we're going to do is just wipe them off. I'm using that one I was using to wipe down the gun a while ago. Mainly wipe off that face. That face is the one that sits in the cylinder. That's why it gets so sooted up. And then just wipe off all that crap off the nipple from where the cap popped. So, got all those done. And now's the tedious job of putting all these back in. I don't know if there's a right way, but I put them in one by one when I'm putting them back and seat them. So every time you do one, it's done. And that's it. So the nipples are all back in. So all we have to do is reassemble the gun. There it goes. So that's it. I hope that helps. Man, there's a lot of like black powder, really good black powder guys on YouTube that are really into this stuff, and they really know their stuff. But that was just a quick how-to from Beach Love Outdoors. That's how we do it in the field. Little firearms maintenance, and we got her cleaned up. Put her in our cavalry holster. And we're going to call this one a day. Hope you enjoy, guys. Don't forget to leave us a comment, man. We love to chat with you guys. And if you got any questions, we'll answer them to the best of our ability. If you like what we're doing here, thank you for coming back. If you're new here, subscribe. Give us, think about subscribing. And if you do, ring the bell, click the little notification bell so you'll get all of our stuff as it comes out. And we appreciate you guys. We got merch, links in the description. I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.